welcome you all once again to this webinar series on civil engineering excellence. फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो में मैं आपसे बात करने वाला हूँ एनुअल मेंटेनेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में, या जिसको हम लोग शॉर्ट फॉर्म में एएमसी बोलते हैं। एनुअल मेंटेनेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आजकल बहुत ही कॉमन है। ये जब से डिपार्टमेंट्स में या कंपनीज़ में मैन पावर के बारे में बात होना शुरू हुआ है कि भाई मैन पावर की शॉर्टेज है और मैन पावर को आउटसोर्स करो, तो दिस आउटसोर्सिंग सिस्टम जब से चालू हुआ तब से दिस एनुअल मेंटेनेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिजनेस हैज़ कम इन लाइट इन मैनी फोल्ड्स। अभी फॉर एग्जांपल कहाँ पे आप एनुअल मेंटेनेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देते हैं? फॉर एग्जांपल ए बिग कॉम्प्लेक्स इज दे कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ से 50 or 100 buildings. There you can go for annual maintenance contract of all the buildings, which can include different trades. So there is one idea as a total package you can give, electrical, mechanical, civil, everything you can give in one contract, or you can go for the separate contract. Electrical items के लिए आप एक अलग contract दे सकते हैं, mechanical के लिए अलग दे सकते हैं. So my experience in this AMC business is you should go trade wise, because you know that specialized skill is available to one group. That work will be more. If you take the total package together, then that agency, whoever is entering into this contract, he has to hire so many agencies, and then there will be lot of confusion and complications may be there. So it is better go for civil work to one contract, mechanical like air conditioning, ventilation, you can go for a separate contract. For electrical items you can go for a separate contract, and vice versa. This is very common in IT industries also nowadays. See, maintenance of server, data storage devices, and that entire building you can go for one contract. Similarly, landscaping and gardening also you can have a annual maintenance contract. So this is very common nowadays. See, basically these contract conditions and terms are almost similar for all types of contract. Only thing, the change where will be there, your schedule B जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, जो items आप इसमें include करेंगे, that will vary, and then your payment terms, how you are going to pay for it. See, some people pay for lump sum. See, this is the building you have to maintain, and lump sum you can work out and pay, or you can go for individual items. Say for example, just to easy understand, public health items are there. If the agency is replacing one bip tap, you can pay some 500 rupees. If he is replacing one wash basin, you can pay some X amount rupees. Similarly, if fan replacement is there, if it is an electrical contractor, you can fix amount. Or regular maintenance of fan and services, some amount you can work out and fix it like that. So this is all about the annual maintenance contract, which is very common nowadays. So आज की वीडियो में दोस्तों इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपसे बात करूँगा BOT कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड PPP कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.